Come on, Dan, show us your backs out.
And then you could walk around and go like this.
It's filming, Olivia. It does.
Okay. Give. Beam.
This is the beam.
Look,
It's very chalky.
2 holes high.
It is 2 holes high.
2 holes big. Oh, whoops. Can you delete that?
I'm going. I'm just seeing how high you. Where did you go? There you are. No.